guest. He thinks he's so great. Guess what? At the party, Esther asked both of them to come to a second party the very next night. Let's see what happens.
What a lovely feast.
Ah, yes, lovely. These cookies, they remind me of something. Never mind, delicious.
Esther, why is it that you look so sad? I will do anything you ask of me.
Really? Anything, Your Majesty?
Of course, anything.
Your Majesty, all I ask is that you save my life.
Your life? What are you talking about? Are you in danger? Does someone want to hurt you? Tell me, Esther, tell me.
It is Haman. He wants to destroy my people on the 13th of Adar.
Come on. How dare you? Guards, take him away at once.
And so, on the 14th of Adar,